Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is DNA, and today is going to be a DIY. So, I basically decided to, redo my shelves because they already had contact paper, but it wasn't matching the vibe, like the colors, and there was also really old and worn. And the one thing that wasn't light colored, was not matching at all with the whole room was my husband's nightstand, that one that's right there. So I decided just to put contact paper over it so that it kind of matches. But yeah, so that's pretty much what the video is going to be about, how I basically did my DIYs and how I finished off that project. But I'll also be inserting before and afters and links. So I'll be inserting links, and if you have any questions, let me know. But I will also be doing another video, probably with the same, probably like today. So I'll be doing another video, and it's going to be an Amazon haul, and I ordered a bunch of shit from Amazon. So it's been like 2 weeks, and I've been trying out these products and using the items that I've bought. So I would be able to give you like a review on the stuff as well. But yeah, so I'm really excited because I haven't done a couple of videos in so long. So just trying to record a couple of videos at once. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, I hope you like it. See you next time. I'm gonna be DIYing this. I'm gonna make it marble. I bought this marble online on Amazon. So I'm gonna, it's kind of goes with the room and the look, but we'll see how it goes, because I really don't like how I have this only dark furniture that I have in my room that's really huge and just kind of throws off the whole the room vibe and stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna redo this, and so this is the before, a little before, and it's really banged up. This is my husband's, so, and it's always collecting a lot of hair. I don't know why, but yeah, so I'm gonna redo this one with this. decided I'm gonna end up redoing my little, like, I don't know, shelf, my little makeup shelf here. It's really messy. It's like all over the place. I have my perfumes, lipsticks. It's got 3 shelves, but I'm gonna be redoing this contact paper because it's kind of like, it's pretty old and I did it a long time ago, and it was kind of cheaper than the, like, cheaper quality. It's like really like stretchy. So I'm gonna just be redoing this one as well, just so that the other stuff matches. The other one that I just did matches it. But yeah, so this is gonna be the little before, and I will see you back for the after. the whole redoing my thing, my little, I don't know, desk, I don't know, shelf, makeup shelf. So here it is. It came out pretty good. I really liked the whole look of it. I still feel like it's still too cluttery for me, so I'm probably gonna get rid of some things in the second shelf and this last shelf, but this one's pretty functional. My makeup's here, my favorite perfumes and body sprays are here. Actually, my perfumes are over there. My favorite perfumes are over there. But so my makeup, my favorite body spray. I've been trying this so far and I really like it. I'm gonna do an Amazon haul that I bought, bunch of shit, so I'm gonna be reviewing that. Also, so all my favorite hair clips right here, and mirror, like face toner, like all this is like functional for me. That's why I like it. This is like just extra stuff that I need once in a while. And that's just my miscellaneous, which I'm probably gonna get rid of the books right here. I'm gonna get rid of those. It's just taking up too much space, and I don't like clutter. And I'm saving those boxes for the Amazon haul, and then I'm gonna throw them away because I hate collecting shit. But yeah, so this is how it looks. I even did my little my little drawer. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I actually really like, I'm really excited that I did it because I've been wanting to do it and it worked out so well. It looks pretty uniform now and I love it. So I'm gonna be posting another video, but for now this is how it looks, and like I said, I really loved it. I can't wait to do the bathroom. I'm gonna be doing the bathroom too, but for now this is it, and I like it because it doesn't collect so much dog hair. I have a husky who has a lot of dog hair, and I just like the way this turned out. So femme, so girly. I really love it.